In this short video, let's talk about will an alternator casing deform after cracked? The answer could be yes or no, possibly deform or not deformed. Some people only found their alternator cracked after a long time it's actually cracked. So in that case, the alternator still work properly. There's no special noise, just cracked. So in that case, the alternator not deformed. Maybe you can still use the alternator for some time. Another possible result is that after it's cracked, it will be deformed. And if it's deformed, the alternator will be very hard to turn. You may not be able to start engine, or your drive belt may be snapped. So if it's seized, it is going to produce a lot of resistance. You may not be able to start engine, or the drive belt get snapped. In that case, your alternator cracked and deformed and the shaft seized. So you have to do something before you can start your engine.